All right, and so Down syndrome just means that these patients are born with an extra chromosome, and the biggest thing I know about these patients is that they have a very hard time learning how to do new things. They can still learn, but it just takes them um, a whole lot longer to learn. And I believe there are different categories of Down syndrome. Let's see. Other disabilities result of traumatic injury or medical condition. So multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, a stroke. So I actually got videos for these two top ones because we haven't really talked about them. But a stroke, TBI, and spinal cord injury we've discussed. So I'm just gonna review these real quick. So again, a stroke is a clot in the brain, one of the vessels in your brain. There's a clot, and blood can't get to a part of the brain. Therefore, that tissue dies, which will render your patient disabled in one way or another. Traumatic brain injury, you pretty much have the exact same issue, and with traumatic brain injury, you have that physical damage that occurred from impact. But on top of that, you can also have swelling, which is secondary after the injury. And that swelling causes more physical damage. On top of that, it's also going to constrict the vessels in the brain, which will prevent blood flow into the brain, causing your brain to start dying. And that's how that creates a disability for your patient. Now, spinal cord injuries, this means that we're talking about most likely paralysis. So down the spine, wherever the injury is on the spinal cord, below that injury, usually you won't have any sensation below the injury site of the spine. Um, See, many patients can live independently with accommodations. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the video for MS, and I may have one for Parkinson's disease as well, but I'll